guys, this is Navi from penhouse.in. Hope all are doing great. Today we are going to review this Ranga handmade model fountain pen. Before reviewing this pen, we need to know the history of this Ranga models, right? This Ranga pens are handmade pens, especially they make materials like ebonite and acrylic. Other than that, they use some other materials. All these Ranga models are handmade. It was from 1970 till now it's successfully running. It was founded by M.S. Pandurangan in 1970 at Thiruvallur. Okay, we need to speak about the craftsmanship, right? This color acrylic body with olive black stripes. It's nice. You can see here, this is not a heavyweight pen. It's amazing. And we need to speak about the box, right? Here this a soft and smooth elegant gift box. As usual, this red and white. They have some particular color for this box, and it's a simple elegant gift box for all these Ranga handmade pens. Here the same way Ranga pen. They have mentioned as a logo and the name as usual. Here is Ranga handmade pens, and here is a pen comfortability. It's very simple and unique like the pen. Okay, now we'll back to our video. Okay, first we'll look into the pen. Here is the pen. This Ranga handmade 3 premium model acrylic P26 olive black stripes body with golden clip. So we are going to review this pen. Before going to one video, kindly subscribe to penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. And here is a pen. Look at the color combinations. Olive black stripes. It's amazing. Wow. See here. Nice green color. It gives an amazing look. It's a fabulous thing. And these Ranga models are always special because this Ranga model is a handmade pen. And this is acrylic. Here is a clip, golden clip with a normal design. This clip is a user-friendly clip, so we can easily insert this in the pocket. Okay, they have mentioned Ranga here. And from top to bottom there is no other symbols or logos. It's a top round, it's a flat round finial in the top, and in the bottom it's a flat round. Okay, now we'll see construction of the pen, whether this is a heavyweight pen or not. We'll check that once. Now we'll calculate the overall length of this pen. It's 151.16 mm. I'll unscrew the cap and check the length. It's 137.64 mm. Now we'll check the grip section. It's 10.47 mm. We'll check the diameter near the thread part. It's 13.10 mm. Now we'll calculate the overall weight of this olive black stripe fountain pen. It's 28 gram. Now I'll unscrew the cap and check the weight. It's 15 gram and this cap carries 11 gram. Now, and this is a lightweight pen. Now we'll back to our video. This is not a heavyweight pen. It's in a midway like 25 to 30. Okay, now we'll look into this pen. It's a thread type cap. And here is a grip section. Okay. This grip section is not slippery. And the same finish, olive black stripes. This barrel, grip section and then cap. All these things are in the same grip, same color actually. And here is a gold tone nib. This is German Jowo nib. And this is fine. Okay, in this this type of nib, they won't mention any brand name or logo in the nib. You can see here. And there is a round breather hole here. Here is a feed. It's a plastic feed. Now see what type of ink system is this. It's a branded converter. If you want to purchase this types of branded spares, we are available in penhouse.in. Look in the comment section. It's a Smith. This is a versatile ink system because in this day-to-day life we are running out of time, right? So this ink system we can easily refill and out the ink, and we can use different colors and a short timing. So it's an amazing, it's a versatile ink system. Okay. Now we'll see the writing sample and we'll check that whether it's writing smooth or rough. We'll check that now. Now we are going to do the writing sample. So that we are going to use violet color ink. If you want to purchase this types of ink bottle, link in the description, kindly contact us. First we are going to write penhouse.in. And then this is violet color ink. It's smooth, you can see here. This is Ranga medium nib. We'll do the rubbing test. We just dip the ink and then doing the writing sample. It's nice. You can see here. We'll do the vertical line and horizontal line. And here is a wave. Nice. Now we'll back to our video. Okay, we used a signal rose color. It's just amazing with that ink. It's nice. We came to the end of the session. This writing sample we did now, and that's not a heavy big rough thing we couldn't find. It's a tiny part roughness we have felt. Other than that, it's very smooth. While writing continuously, that tiny roughness also will go off. And it's nice, and while writing it's not slippery, and we couldn't feel overweight in this pen, and it's in a midway, right? Overall can use this pen. This is a fine nib, but this is a premium pen. All the kids can use this pen, but while comparing to kids, adults will love this pen actually because of that drip section and this color combination. It's just amazing. If you want to purchase this type of ink pens, we are available with all the spares and then gift items. Everything is available in penhouse.in. Link in the description. Kindly see to the categories, different products, handmade products, own customization, everything is available. So stay tuned with us. Tada, bye bye. Thanks for watching.